Okay, we're loading again. This time I saved beforehand, so let's just go. The SS lockelle. No. Wait. Aren't we moving? Shoot, we're sinking. We're stuck. Help, help, help. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. It just fully sunk. We crashed into a speedboat. What the hell? I'm gonna need to explore this. We're diving into the ocean. Dude, what the heck? Okay. Oh my. I can't even see the front. The front is all the way down. It's a weird thing. Okay. This boat is here. This boat thing. Okay, let's do that again. So what would happen if instead the speedboat hit the boat? This is McDonald's? Well, if we just,
Thanks, bud.
No, wait, it's definitely sinking. Oh, it's going that way. I gotta get to the stair. Where? Wait. Damn it, the stairwell was broken in the explosion. Swim through the cold. Oh my god, we made it. What the hole? Magical place. Can I get on a boat? How is it so light? Probably a radio or something. Climb. Okay. Oh no. What if I just... Oh, wait, never mind, that's stupid. Okay, we're just slowly sinking into the water here. Let's check the lower level again. Wait, are we sinking really? I don't think. Um. Let's see, will we sink? What? I've completely destroyed this boat. Sink already. Is it sinking? Gently come on. No. This can't be happening. I gotta swim. Oh my god. We're sinking. Why is the whole front gone? Oh my god. Stairs. Okay. Gotta run. Oh, come on. They're upside down. Uh, uh, I'm not driving. We can still drive. Scratch that. I'm not gonna make it far. The deck has started to sink. La da da. Da, da, da. We gotta throw some of this stuff overboard or something. I don't know what to do. Maybe I can just keep going. Bruh, this thing is insane. What does it take to freaking sink this boat? Okay, this is obviously still here. Okay, are we actually sinking? Okay, now we're sinking. Boat? Aren't we sinking? Let's try and move it again. Bum, da, bum, bum, bum. Bum. What if we just put a bunch of nitroglycerin on the bottom? Move away. Bombs away! Okay, we're actually sinking. Yeah, we are. Aren't we? No. What? Ah. How many of this stupid crap do I have to explode? Yes. Let that oh. Oh god. Okay, now it's actually sinking. And there it goes. After a bunch of explosions, it sinks. Yeah, I kind of exploded a lot of stuff, but let's try that again. For the final time, this video. Try and explode. And let's try and crash this boat into this boat. We're going. Another boat. Bang. straight in. Now instead, let's load this with a bunch of nitroglycerin. That'll also make a specific hole in this side too. Like that. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh, we missed them. There we go. Now, sink. Please. Oh, no. I'm dead again. Okay. Again, I'm restarting this. I'm not twiggling it. Like last time, I'm gonna probably light something on fire or something. And do that. What's an hour? I'm just gonna light up this place on fire. Where's the staircase? I forgot. Did it over here? No, it's here. Never mind, I'm stupid. Whatever. Light it like right here on this table and run. Let's let it eat away at this boat. I wonder what that crackling noise could be. I don't know. Why don't we find out? Famous last moments. Oh my god. Are we sinking? I don't know. Did you get my explode right under the captain's deck? No. Oh, maybe. Yeah, we're sinking again. Well, I'm stuck. I'm going down with my ship chest. I'm not doing that again. The fire's still going. God, what is? Passengers, we're all leaving the boat again. Because we have to. Oh, that keeps happening. It's so annoying. Can I drive this boat? What about this boat? Running wood. Never mind. I just gotta put it out. Oh, did it just separate? No. This is 20 minutes of just recording a ship sinking. Why can I still hear the music going? Okay. It's the back of the boat. It's going into the water. Goodbye, boat. And, hello, yacht. What the? Uh, Get this table out. I can't remember. Let's get these chairs and get them on the yacht. Or just one, I guess. Get it on there. Get it on there. So it just what you get from this boat. They could be useful decorations. And there goes this. The table. Get the table. Done. Care about this stuff anymore. I just need a second chair. And voila! Oh no. Okay. Can I get this thing? No. I can float on it, no. Oh, something just went out. Sinking to the dark. No lights. At all. No, I don't want to go down with you. Move this thing. Oh my god, I made it alive. And it's down. Stopped. No, I just need to get off. And we salvaged 2 chairs, I think. Yeah, 2 chairs. Make a whole set. Now we're off. Away. The next day. Now let's investigate this shipwreck over here. Parts in there is that. There's 3 lifeboats. here. There's a bunch of stuff. Now let's dive. I have found the stern of the boat over here. Oh, it's not just the stern, it's the whole boat.
What?
Thing. So everything is clean. And that's a bit different. Okay. And this is the fate of the ship. It's pretty bad. Yeah. It's the end of this video.